Check this out, folks. So what I've done, I've replaced the Parajubaea palm that died. There's the trunk from the Parajubaea, the mountain coconut. I was a little sad that it passed on through the late December freeze, but hey, as expected, it's not a fully hardy palm this far north. So anyway, those two waggies, Trachycarpus wagnerianus, that one and that one, were growing beside it through the winter time. No problem. They've actually put on some growth. So I ripped out the Parajubaea and I added more waggies. I added 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 6 Trachycarpus waggies. So we replaced the mountain coconut with Trachycarpus wagnerianus palms. So now we have a mini grove of Trachycarpus wagnerianus palms. And by the way, those have been out all winter in pots. All those, what you see there, have been out in pots. Those ones are in the ground beside it, so stay tuned for an update. By the way, the date palm down there, it's hard to see, is pushed out center spear. And these guys will flourish. That's really good soil in there that I put in for the Parajubaea. So stay tuned for a waggy update in the near future, all right? And they don't need any winter protection here. They're tough as nails. Thanks for watching. Cheers. They'll look good when they get big too. And you can plant them close together, by the way. Not a problem. I water those every day.